Meow.
Hey.
You can hear me. Oh my god!
That's... Dude.
Do it again.
Because that just doesn't make sense. Like, it just wasn't getting through to her.
Oh my god! What?
Still just purring away. You okay?
What?
Ta! You cannot have an entire loaf of... Ow. To you too.
What's that? What's that, brother?
What are you looking at?
Honey.
I told you it's not a good idea to
Help, help, help! Alicia!
Hey.
Tiga. Cipi, cipi, capa, capa, dubi, dubi, daba, daba, cipi.
Normalize you not touching my charger!
Abusing his office for his personal political gain here, trying to pressure this.
Не надо.
Ready?
Ay, estrella. Mamá la perra.
He could do it if he tried.
Kyle. Stop. Kyle!
Chiqui, chiqui, chiqui.
Normalize you not touching my charger.
Olive, why are you sitting on your brother's head?
Ludicrous. No. No! What are you doing? Beans! I want to pick what?
Ouch. Ouch.
Class trip. Jumping rope double.
Zo'n gaten! Okay.
Excuse me.
You gotta lay it down.
All right. Oh! What are you doing? Oh!
You got some right here. You got some right here.
Ow!
So this is
No.
no. Look,
Baby, what'd you bring me? You found a hot dog.
Frankie! There you go.
Nice, Ron.
I sneezed all.
Спасибо, моя кися.
И мне?
Got him! Fucking jackpot!
On March 3rd, my youngest daughter, Barbara, was
Hello? Where did he go?
Besties. This one's mean as fuck.
Good job, Whisper. Whisper. Good job.
Harness training, take one.
Can you hold the phone?
This filter tells you if your cat is an angel or a devil.
Give me a high five. Thanks.
Pop the package up here.
Barışacaksınız, tamam mı lan?